Once guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on eToro in 2025. So first of all, you have to have a verified eToro account and to complete all the requirements when you log in on this platform. Secondly, we are going to search it. As you can see, I already searched it for this tutorial. You're going to click on Bitcoin. Now it's trading at 86k, and if you decide to buy it, you're just going to press trade, and here you have a lot of options. For example, you can buy in dollar amount like it is now, or you can buy it in units. You can take a profit and stop a loss. Also for shorts, you can buy it on units or in dollar amounts, and you can set a stop loss or a take profit. So for example, let's buy 10 bucks of Bitcoin. To see your Bitcoin, you have to go to portfolio, and as you can see, it's right here in our portfolio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.